Once upon a time, in a peaceful valley nestled among rolling hills, lived a young shepherd boy named Tim. Tim was known for his dreams, not just dreams of the night, but dreams of what he could become. Every day, Tim would tend to his flock of sheep, singing lullabies to soothe them to sleep. His songs echoed through the valley, filling the air with harmony and peace. One day, Tim had a peculiar dream. In his dream, he saw a beautiful, shimmering wolf that seemed to be lost. He felt a strange warmth in his heart, a feeling he had never experienced before. The next morning, Tim found a trail of footprints that seemed to belong to a wolf. He decided to search for the creature from his dream. As he followed the trail, he felt a strange excitement, a feeling that was both thrilling and a little scary. He found the wolf in a thicket, looking lost and scared. Tim approached it gently, speaking softly, "Hello, beautiful wolf. You seem lost. Let me help you find your way home." The wolf looked at Tim with curious eyes and followed him back to the valley. Tim named the wolf Dream, for he believed the wolf was a dream made real. He took care of Dream, feeding him and keeping him company. The other villagers were surprised but grew to love Dream too. Every night, Tim would tell stories to Dream, stories of the valley, of the stars, and of his dreams. Dream seemed to understand him, and the two became inseparable. One day, Tim had a dream again. This time, it was a dream of a beautiful castle, high above the clouds. In his dream, he was invited to live there. Tim was torn between staying with Dream and living in the castle. He decided to visit the castle in his dream. As he crossed the bridge to it, he felt a strange shiver, a feeling of uncertainty. But he walked on, guided by his dreams. In the castle, he found a kind king who offered him a place among the stars. Tim was amazed, but he felt a pang in his heart. He realized that his heart was with Dream and the valley. He returned to the valley, and Dream was overjoyed to see him. From that day on, Tim and Dream lived happily in the valley, sharing their dreams each night under the starlit sky. And so, they lived, dreaming and loving, until one night, as they lay under the stars, Dream nuzzled close to Tim, and the two fell asleep, dreaming of the castle in the clouds. And that, dear children, is the tale of the dreamy shepherd boy and his wolf, Dream. May your dreams be as beautiful as theirs, and may you find your way home, wherever your dreams may lead you. Good night.